नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण 11वीमध्ये अल्केन या पाठाचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. तर आपण गतवर्षी शिकलेले आहे 10वीमध्ये हायड्रोकार्बनचे वर्गीकरण आणि हायड्रोकार्बन म्हणजे काय. तर हायड्रोकार्बनच्या बाबतीत विचार केला आपण तर हायड्रोकार्बन या संयुगांचे मुख्यतः दोनमध्ये वर्गीकरण केलं जातं, ओपन चेन आणि क्लोज्ड चेन हायड्रोकार्बन संयुगे. बरोबर आहे. ओपन चेन हायड्रोकार्बन आणि क्लोज्ड चेन हायड्रोकार्बन. ओपन चेन कुणाला म्हणायचं? ज्या हायड्रोकार्बन संयुगामध्ये कार्बन कार्बनचे अणू एकाच श्रंखलेमध्ये जोडलेले असतात, त्यांचे दोन टोक जोडलेले नसतात, अशा संयुगाला आपण काय म्हणतो? ओपन चेन. आपण पाहू एखादं उदाहरण. हा कार्बन हा कार्बन हा कार्बन सरळ रेषेमध्ये जोडला जातो आणि एक सरळ श्रृंखला तयार होते. तर अशा संयुगाला आपण काय म्हणतो? ओपन चेन हायड्रोकार्बन. लक्षात. आणि क्लोज्ड चेन म्हणजे काय? जर कार्बन संयुगे ही कार्बन संयुगामध्ये कार्बन कार्बनचे दोन्ही टोक एकत्र जोडले जातात, अशा संयुगाला आपण काय म्हणतो? क्लोज्ड चेन हायड्रोकार्बन. लक्षात. हे आपण 10वीला शिकलो. सायक्लोहेक्झेन हा कोण आहे? ब्युटेन. 4 कार्बन ॲटम आहेत. 1 2 3 4. याच्यामध्ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 म्हणून याला सायक्लोहेक्झेन म्हटलेलं आहे. हा क्लोज्ड चेन आहे. आज आपण ओपन चेनच्या बाबतीत आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. तर या ओपन चेनचं आपल्याला पुन्हा दोनमध्ये वर्गीकरण करता येतं. त्या कार्बनच्या अणूमध्ये किती सहसंयोगी बंध आहेत त्यावरून आपण त्याचं वर्गीकरण करू शकतो. त्यावरून आपण या ओपन चेनचे दोनमध्ये वर्गीकरण करतो. ते म्हणजे संतृप्त सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन आणि दुसरं आहे अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन. लक्षात. अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन आणि सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन असे दोनमध्ये आपण वर्गीकरण केलेलं आहे. सॅच्युरेटेड कुणाला म्हणायचं? ज्या संयुगामध्ये कार्बन कार्बनच्या अणूत फक्त आणि फक्त एकेरीच बंध असतो. एकेरी बंध, एकेरी सहसंयोगी बंध आहे. कार्बन कार्बनच्या अणूत एकेरी सहसंयोगी बंध असतो, त्याला काय म्हणायचं? संतृप्त. हे आपण गतवर शिकलो. आणि ज्या संयुगामध्ये कार्बन कार्बनच्या अणूत, ह्या दोन कार्बनच्या अणूत दुहेरी किंवा तिहेरी, दुहेरी किंवा असा तिहेरी सहसंयोगी बंध असतो, त्यांना काय म्हणतात? अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन. आज आपण फक्त सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बनचा विचार करणार आहोत, कारण अल्केनमध्ये एकेरी सहसंयोगी बंध असतो, म्हणून सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बनला दुसरं नाव आहे अल्केन. Understand? In 10th class, we had studied the classification of hydrocarbon. These hydrocarbon mainly classified into two types: open chain and closed chain hydrocarbon. What is by open chain hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon compound in which carbon carbon joined in a straight chain or in the form of chain only. These two ends of chain is not joined together. Such type of hydrocarbon compounds are called as open chain hydrocarbon compound. Example is the butane. Here carbon carbon joined, these two ends is not joined. But you see here in these examples, the two ends of carbon is joined together and to form a ring structures. The hydrocarbon compound in which carbon atoms are joined together and to produce such type of ring structures are called closed chain compounds. Example is the cyclohexane. Today we will concentrate only on the classification of open chain. The open chain further classified into two types depending upon the single or multiple bond is present in the carbon atom. If the carbon compound in which carbon carbon joined by only single covalent bond, only single covalent bond Such compounds are called saturated hydrocarbon compound and the hydrocarbon compound in which carbon-carbon joined by multiple bond. Such compounds are called as the unsaturated compounds. You remember one important point, alkane contain the single covalent bond, hence the saturated hydrocarbon compounds are also called as the alkane. It means that alkane is an example of which type of hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbon. अल्केन कुणाचं उदाहरण येतं? संतृप्त हायड्रोकार्बन किंवा सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बनचं उदाहरण येतं. हे आपण आता इथं समजून घेतलेलं आहे. तर आपण आता पुढे पाहू. द नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज द अल्केन. दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट्स ऑफ अल्केन. Alkane, how do you define the alkane? The saturated hydrocarbon compounds are called as the alkane. It means that alkane contain the only carbon-carbon single bond and methane is the lowest member of the alkane or methane is the first member of the alkane. Methane हा alkaneचा पहिलं उदाहरण आहे. These methane having the molecular formula is CH4 and it is occur in the coal mine and marshland. Methane is a gaseous state at room temperature. It is occur in coal mine and in marshland. Hence, this methane is also called as the marsh gas. It is also called as the marsh gas. Why it is called as marsh gas? Because mostly methane is occur in the marshland. Hence, it is called as the marsh gas. I understand. Methane is the first member of alkane. It occur in coal mine or in marshland. Hence, it is called as the marsh gas. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. Whenever this 4 hydrogen atom is replaced by any other carbon atom or methyl group, CH3 group, then we get a second member of alkane. Let us consider the 1 hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by CH3 group, we get a new molecule is the ethane. It means that ethane is the derivative of methane because ethane is formed by replacing the 1 hydrogen atom of methane by CH3 group. This hydrogen atom is replaced by the CH3 group. We get a new molecule is the ethane. Such type of whenever this hydrogen atom is replaced by the another carbon atom methyl group, we get a new compounds methane, ethane, propane. It means that methane is the starting molecules of the alkane. I understand. Again, these all methane molecule contain the single covalent bond. What is the covalent bond? Covalent bond means the bond which is formed by sharing of electron. You know the carbon atomic number is 6. Last cell contain the 4 electron. Therefore, each carbon atom share the 4 electron with other atom. In case of methane, these are 4 carbon atom. The electrons of 4 carbon atom share with 4 electrons of hydrogen atom. This is the electronic structures of the methane, and on the basis of electron structure we can easily draw the dash structures of methane. This is the dash structure and this is the electronic structure of methane. It means that 1 carbon atom form how many covalent bond? 4 covalent bond. What is the covalent bond? The bond which is formed by sharing of electron. 1 carbon atom share the 4 electron with a 4 hydrogen atom. Therefore, Such type of carbon atom is called as the tetravalent carbon atom. I understand. In case of alkane, each carbon atom contains the single covalent bond. This covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron. It means that one covalent bond contains the one pair of electron or two electron. One pair means two electron. Here how many bond is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore how many pair is present here? 4 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 pair. This dot electrons for hydrogen atom and cross for electrons of carbon atom. I understand. In the alkane, carbon joined by single bond and each carbon atom undergoes the which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. In the methane molecule, each carbon atom undergoes the sp3 hybridization. It means that the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals is a overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. What is the meaning? The carbon atom undergoes the sp3 hybridization. They contain the 4p orbital. The dumbbell shaped orbit is called as the sp3 hybrid orbital. These sp3 hybrid orbital, you know the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, electron count 1s 1. Therefore, each sp3 hybrid orbital is overlapped with a 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. This is the sp3 hybrid orbital. It is also a sp3 hybrid orbital. It overlaps with a 1s orbital of hydrogen atom, and according to VSERP theory, these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals arranged tetrahedrally. They are arranged tetrahedrally and making the bond angle 109.5 degree. Bond angle is 109.5 degree, and in case of alkane, the carbon-carbon bond length is the 154 picometer and carbon and hydrogen bond length is 122 picometers. I understand? The bond length of these carbon-carbon hydrogens. Question may be asked in the examination, why the methane is called as the marsh gas, or draw the dash structures of methane, or draw the Lewis structure or electron structure of methane. What is the geometry of methane, or why the methane molecules are arranged tetrahedrally. Again, you remember another important points. In case of alkane, each molecule contains the single covalent bond. Due to presence of single covalent bond, alkane do not react with any acid, alkali or any reagent. It means that all alkane molecule is less reactive. All alkane molecule is less reactive. Due to less reactivity of alkane, it is also called as the paraffins. Param, in Latin language, param means little or less, and affins means reactivity or affinity. What is the meaning of paraffins? Param, in Latin language, param means less, affin means affinity or reactivity. They are less reactivity. Due to this less reactivity, alkanes are also called as the paraffins. I understand. Question will be asked, give scientific reason why alkane is called as the paraffins. Alkane contain the single covalent bond, single strong covalent bond, or single strong sigma covalent bond. Why it is called a sigma? Sigma covalent bond. What is the meaning of sigma covalent bond? Sigma means this sigma bond is indicated by symbol, this one. The symbol is called a sigma. Sigma means whenever the covalent bond is formed by end to end or axis to axis overlapping. You see here in this diagram, each orbit over by end to end overlapping. Overlapping region is more here. Due to more overlapping region, the sigma bond is strong. In case of alkane, the carbon-carbon atom joined by strong sigma covalent bond. Due to this reason, they are less reactive or they do not react with acid, alkali or any reagent. Hence, this alkane is also called as the paraffins. And the general molecular formula of the alkane is the CnH2n plus 2. What is the N here? N means number of carbon atom present. N means number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom. Substitute the value of N here. N is equal, consider N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. Then what is the C3H2 into 3 plus 2 means C3H8. What is the name of molecule? It is the propane. On the basis of this molecular formula, we can easily calculate the molecular formula of any hydrocarbon compounds. I understand? You remember one important point. First definition. What is the definition of alkane? Saturated hydrocarbon compounds are called alkane. It is also called as the paraffin because they are less reactive. Again, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The first member of alkane is methane. This methane is gaseous state at room temperature. They are occur in coal mine or marshland. Due to the presence, they are occur in marshland. They are called as the marsh gas. From this methane, we can prepare we can obtain the any hydrocarbon compound by replacing the hydrogen atom of the methane. Here, one hydrogen atom replaced by the one methyl group. We get a ethane molecule. On the basis of the molecular formula, we can easily draw the dash structures because you know that the carbon form a 4 covalent bond with a 4 hydrogen atom and each carbon atom undergoes the sp3 hybridization. Therefore, in the alkane, each carbon atom arranged tetrahedrally, and on the basis of the dash structures, we can easily draw the Lewis structures or electron structures of the alkane. Each covalent bond contains the 2 electrons or pair of electron. Therefore, this is the electron structure of methane, and this is the geometry of the tetrahedral geometry. Which geometry? Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral geometry of methane molecule. In this methane molecule, 4 sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon atom overlap with the 1s orbital of each hydrogen atom. Therefore, it form a how many sigma bond? It form a 4 sigma bond. I understand? Thank you.